Let's delete this cube, Shift A, add a mesh, and the cylinder will look the most like my barrel that I want to create. So hit it, SC to scale this up a bit. Let's go into edit mode, and let's add the loop cut right in the middle. And right click to snap it here, S to scale it out a bit. Until you have the shape of the barrel that you like. I think this one should be fine. Let's add an extra loop cut in here. And also here, something like there. If you don't like the position of this, you can also alt click GG to move it up a bit. Because let's add another loop cut right there. And also one here. And now we need to select around. A neat trick for this is hold Alt and then click here to the side with face selection. And then Shift Alt click here. If you have this line, you're too close to the middle. So now I have these two. The trick is Alt E and then extrude faces along normals. And then you move up and down a bit until they're out for this much. And this should be great. Okay, now let's create a shape right here. I to inset, like this. And then look from this side, E to extrude it down a bit. And the same from the bottom. I to inset, and E to extrude it up a bit. And let's add another little thing on here. Shift A, then add a cylinder. Scale it down, GZ to move it up. Scale it down even more. And then GX to move it down, GZ. And there you have your low poly barrel. Now we can color this in as well. Add in two materials. Let's add this material. A little bit more grayish. You can see the color right here. And let's add another one. For the color of the barrel, maybe something like this. So we have those two materials. Now we can assign them to here. We can hold Alt, Shift, click on this one and this one. Then Control plus adds to the selection, which is perfect because I want to assign this material here. Then Control I, invert the selection, and then you can assign the other one. And then let's go here to the viewport shading, what we've done. And you have a very basic low poly barrel. You can also have this one, another material. This is just basic. Well, it's a bit too reddish, you can make it more brown. But this is basically how you can create a low poly barrel for your, well, for your games.